Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to the Food with a Twist series. Today is day 7, and we're diving into the world of decadent desserts with our dark chocolate and oat milk brownies. These brownies are not just a treat, they are a whole experience, and I'm here to elevate that experience even further with some perfect drink pairings. First things first, let's get those brownies in the oven. You'll need 1 cup gluten-free flour, 1 cup dark chocolate, 1/2 cup oat milk, 1/2 cup coconut oil, 1 cup maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Start by melting the dark chocolate with coconut oil in a saucepan over low heat. Once it's all smooth and glossy, stir in the oat milk, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. In another bowl, mix together your gluten-free flour and baking powder. Now, pour that rich chocolatey mixture into the dry ingredients and stir until everything is well combined. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the batter into a greased baking dish and bake for 25 minutes. You'll know they're ready when a toothpick comes out clean. Alright, while those brownies are baking, let's talk drinks. For a cozy, non-alcoholic option, whip up a spiced chai latte. The warm spices like cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves perfectly complement the dark chocolate in the brownies. Simply brew some strong black tea, add a mix of spices, and froth up some oat milk to top it off. Now, if you're in the mood for something cold and refreshing, go with an iced hazelnut latte. Brew some espresso, add a splash of hazelnut syrup, and pour it over ice. Top it up with oat milk, and you've got a creamy, nutty drink that balances the richness of the brownies. But hey, if you're feeling a bit fancy, let's talk about an alcoholic pairing. How about a red wine hot chocolate? Yes, you heard me right. Heat up some red wine with a bit of dark chocolate, add a touch of sweetener, and you've got a luxurious, indulgent drink that pairs perfectly with your brownies. And for those warm evenings, a chilled espresso martini is where it's at. Shake up some vodka, espresso, coffee liqueur, and a bit of simple syrup. Serve it in a chilled martini glass, and enjoy the sophisticated blend of coffee and chocolate flavors. So there you have it, folks, 4 amazing drinks to elevate your brownie game. Whether you're cozying up with a spiced chai latte or feeling fancy with a red wine hot chocolate, these pairings are sure to make your dessert experience unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment below, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes and food tips. Your support really helps the channel grow and reach more food lovers like you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.